Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my morning routine as a college volleyball player. So I wake up around 7 a.m. I think, or 7 a.m.-ish. Yeah, 7:05 in the morning. And I make some cold brew coffee, add some milk, and some caramel macchiato creamer. I then go in my freezer and grab some ice just to make it a little bit colder. And then here I am just sipping my coffee, trying to process that I am up this early actually. So now I just get on my phone, scroll through all the social medias, check my email, all that good stuff. Now it's time to work out. I'm going in my closet just to pick out a workout outfit. So I grab a sports bra, crop top, and some shorts. Now I'm gonna throw my shoes on and get ready for the workout. So I bring my laptop in because I follow it on my computer, and if you want to see the workout video, it's going to be in the card in the top right of the screen. So make sure to go check out that playlist because I have a bunch of workouts that I do that I post on my channel that are specific to volleyball. In this workout right here, I did not feature in my most recent workout video, and this is just a booty workout, so if you're interested in that, I would definitely do this one. Alrighty, all done. Now it's time to hop in the shower, my favorite time of the day. Turn my water on, get it all nice and hot. And I absolutely have to shower after I work out because it prevents breakouts on your body and your face. So it's really important to shower right after you work out. So for skincare, I like the Tula Purifying the Cult Classic Cleanser. And then for body wash, I use this random one that I pick up from Walmart, and it's like a really big bottle for like cheap. So, and here's me just being dumb. Now I'm gonna moisturize with my CeraVe moisturizer. I love this stuff, and I could bathe in it. And some Mario Badescu for my lips. Now it's time to cook breakfast. So for breakfast, I usually like to have some kind of toast and like sausage, eggs, but I'm actually all out of everything. So here I am chopping up my half of chicken sausage, and I'm just gonna fry it up in the pan on the skillet on medium heat with some olive oil. I then cover it with a lid so it doesn't splatter on me, and once it's done, I'm gonna take my glove, because once again I don't want oil to get on my skin, and we're gonna put it on a piece of paper towel, and that's just to get the excess grease and oil off because it kind of makes me queasy sometimes, but I should probably cook with less oil, but you know. Then I put another piece on top, then I use the same little spatula to get the excess grease off. All right, so now it's time to chow down. I absolutely have to eat after my workout because I don't usually eat before, so the post-workout meal is very important. I would usually have a protein shake as well alongside my breakfast, but I am fresh out of everything that I could possibly need. But for my chicken sausage, I like to dip it in some kind of hot sauce. This is the Texas Pete's hot sauce, and it's my absolute favorite. And also, I would usually eat some eggs or potatoes with this, but I just didn't really feel like doing that. So I just had these two deviled eggs that my boyfriend's mom made me, and sausage, and a big glass of water. Gotta stay hydrated. It for the video. I forgot to outro it, so that's why I'm filming on my laptop, and that's why my quality is like terrible. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's at jacoby.sims. Also, if you like this more kind of lifestyle content, I have a lifestyle vlog channel. It's called Jacoby Sims Vlogs. So make sure to go check that out. Everything is linked in the description. Also, if you want to hit up my volleyball gear, it is all linked to Amazon down in the description. And if you shop through my link, I'll get a little bit of commission, and that will really help me out. So thank you guys so much. I love you all. Mwah. And I'll see you next time. Bye.